Okay, in this session, I'm going to explain one scenario, in real-time scenario, like what kind of error you may get when you are working on any requirement of from the business. Like business will ask you to create a purchase requisition with the document type ZSTU. Okay, and you just create and business will say like we want to get you have to create PR, you have to convert PR to PO, and even that should work with only ZSTO. Okay, it should not allow other document type to create the purchase order from the this purchase requisition. So let me take a simple example where I can show you in a SAP system. Okay, I'll not take much time to get the data from the system. So I'll go to OLME. OLME is a transaction which I can go directly with the purchasing node. Okay, where I can show you the purchase requisition and the respective document type which I have configured. I'll go to purchase requisition here, and I'll show the document type which I created is ZSTU already. Okay, I'll go to define document types. This will take few seconds to load because there are many entries already maintained. Someone is changing also. So see, user 023 is already changing. I'll just display this data. Okay, here I will show you the document type which is there already, ZSTU, and even I'll give you the number range which is maintained there. Just for testing purpose, you can see that. Okay, just taking some time to load. Okay, it is getting loaded anyway. Until that time, okay, you'll see this ZSTO. I'll just search here. So already it is there here. Purchase requisition standard is there, and okay, this is for STO purpose. We have created ZSTO and number range is there as a AB number range. I'll show you how this number range is linked also. But today's topic is like I'm talking about the how to manage to convert only ZSTO PR to ZSTO PO. It should not allow other document type to create. Okay, and I can show vice versa also by updating some other document type also, so that we can add. We can test it in the system. Okay, now so this is already available here. Now I'll do one thing is simply I'll go to the existing data of today's posting. Anything I'll see anything posted the system. I'll remove this. I'll just check today's posting. Any movement is there. I'll pick up that data to recreate the scenario. Okay, I'll just go with 101 moment type because I don't want to clear all the errors and all, right? Because if I have this moment and all, then means all the data is good. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just copy this material and I'll go and create a purchase requisition. Simple way. Okay, so I'll just add a material and here I'll choose the ZSTO document type. I'll ask for a plant. I'll pick up the plant from here. PP25. Enter. It will ask for the quantity. I'll go with 10 kg. It is asking for the purchase organization. I'll just pick up from the existing data. In the testing time also in a real time, you can just copy the existing data and you can recreate. Not required to create again all the data from the scratch material, all that not required, because I just changed. I have managed tested only document type. I can use existing data only. So this all entry is done. Then I'll save it. Okay. So here see this 999888122 is created because AB is the number range which we maintain in the background. So that number is picking up. I'll show it later, like where exactly that number range is linked. Already it is known thing to many consultants and all, right? So, but I want to show this scenario. Many may not be not tried in the system. So I'm going to explain. Okay, now this is the PR. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just copy and try to create a PO. Okay, so in the PO, I'm not changing any document type. Just observe here, come here and use the document number, purchase requisition here, or you can find it from the overview. Here also you can find there's a option that you can go and select the purchase requisition from this order from this option, and you can check today's purchase requisition, and you can add to the cart also here. Just you can drop here. I just entered here and data is picked up, purchase requisition data. It's asking for the vendor. I'll just choose the vendor from the purchase organization PV25. There are two vendors are there. I'll just pick up this vendor. Okay. Now after entering this vendor, I'll just press enter. Okay. Okay. Other all data is picking up, material, quantity, everything. Okay. But some error is showing here. I'll just click on this error. Okay. Here you can see very clearly, right? This is the error you are facing here. What is the error? Document type, item category or STO. This error will come. Requisition is not linked with NB, because you cannot create any PO with ZSTOPR with NB document type. This is the error message. How to see that? Only this linkage of ZSTO will allow you to create ZSTO PO. I will show that also. If I'll just go to this screen. Okay. What I'll do is I'll just change this to a ZSTO. I don't know whether ZSTO is there here. Okay, it is there. I'll choose GSTO document type. And then now see, it is asking immediately, please enter supplying plant. Okay. So I did not add it U, but when I enter ZSTO, it is C. Item category is not allowed with document type STO. Okay. So I'm just entering U. So see, it is asking, please enter supplying plant. It is asking immediately supplying plant, not vendor. Okay. Then I should know what is the supplying plant for this particular company code. Okay, PP25 is there. I can choose PP26 is, I don't know whether it is there. No. PP series LC. Okay. PP50 LC. Whether I don't know whether it is same company code or different. Let's try. Okay. Now see, now that linking of document type STO side, it is not showing an error, because I have already set up initially for the ZSTO document type. It should accept ZSTO PO only, not with other document type. I'll go to here SPRO here. How to see that? Simple. Just select this ZSTO and click on this link purchasing document type. Okay. There you can see with this ZSTO document type or purchase requisition, only possible to create a purchase order with the ZSTO. See here. Okay. Or if I want to change anything like a ZSTP or something, okay, I can link here also. I can add new entry and I can add more document type which should allow in the system. Okay. Now see, it is saying material is not maintained in PP50, but not it is not showing an error like there is no linkage between document type. Like there is no proper setup is done for STO. So this might be the I'm not able to show it. So I can give simple process. Okay, what I can do is instead of ZSTO, I will create one simple document type here. I'll go back for different document types. Okay, So instead of ZSTO, I'll make it ZNB or something. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you much. ZNB, create ZNB document for PR. Then only ZNB PO should allow. Other any document, if you choose, it should not allow you to create any PO. Okay, that I'll show. Okay, someone entered here. I'll do one thing. I'll go to SM12 and I'll delete that entry with other users. See somewhere the table T161, T1617, T161A. There are many tables got locked, so I have to delete that, or else I cannot go and change the configuration. Okay, go here. See, now it will not show any locking entry. So let me open. I know the initially that ZSTO is not right example to show, because STO is always related to this, right? Supplying intra STO, all that. So let me create some new document type. Copy this. I'll change to AB, and I'll make ZNB, simple one, already existing. Okay, I'll take ZNC. Copy all. So I'll change here ZNC. Then system only should allow ZNB or only ZNB, like that I can make, or ZNC. Okay, it is copying all the data. It will take some time. Okay, information got copied. So I'm going to here mentions PR for the components. Okay, this is some new scenario to be managed for the components. So I'm going to save it. Okay, before saving, I'll show you how the linkage here, linking this purchase document. Okay, now I have copied from some other document type, right? So what are all the linkage already there with that document type, it will show, but I'll maintain only for ZNC with ZNC. I'll select all here. I'll delete. So don't delete any standard one. I already copied the standard and customizing new one. Okay. In this screen, I will add only ZNC document type to create a PO. Okay. Then I'll add NB or ZNB something. We'll try some scenarios. Here I'm going to maintain only ZNC document type. Okay. Enter valid document type. This is already, it is not available. I'll make ZNB. ZNB is there, I think. Okay, it is already for marked deletion. I'll do one thing. I'll enter. I'll save. Okay. I'll create my own request. Okay, I'll not disturb this one. Go the new request. SAP Guru India. PR document type customization for components, and save it. Okay, this is the new CR I'm going to save here. Okay, now I'll go and maintain new entries here. Okay, so ZNB, I'll go back first, because I'll just save the data, then I'll come back and link the document type for the purchase order. Okay. Okay, so ZNC for this components document type, I'm going to link the PO only. It should work for ZNB. ZNB, I will choose here. Sorry, that system is a little slow today. Bear with me. Okay, I'll go with new entry and I'll choose GNB. Okay, so this is the standard PO for, just imagine this document type only can allowed for GNC. Okay, I will just manage this linkage. I'll try to save this. Okay, now data saved. What I'll do is I'll not close the screen because it is taking more time to load. So what I'll do is I'll just go back here. I'll copy this material, go to ME51N, and I recreate quickly with the ZNC. ZNC. Okay, ZNNP will be here, NP will be here, NC here. Okay. So I'm going to create new data material, and plant will be PP25, content 10, and purchase organization PP25. The data is entered and saved. Okay, see, I just chosen the same number range AB. So you can see that number range is picked up. Last number range was 122. Now it is 133. Okay, 123. Sorry. Now I'll try to create a PO with a different document type. Then you'll see the different. Then you'll see the issue or error which the system will throw. Okay, I'll go to ME21N. I'll try to use NB document type. I'll use the PR here. Okay, so it is asking for the vendor. I'll just pick up the vendor here quickly with the purchase organization PV25. I'll choose here. It is already maintained before. Okay, see here. Document type, item category, ZNC requisition is not allowed for NB purchase order. You can see very clearly. GNC or item category may not be assigned to purchase orders of document type NB or item category. This is the combination is not maintained. So what I'll do is I will change this simple to ZNB. I'll search here ZNB. See, ZNB I have linked already in the system in the backend. So once I change this to ZNB, okay, error got resolved. I'm able to create a PO. Okay, now I'll try again. Okay, creating a purchase requisition, and I will allow NB also. Okay, so I'll come back here. Sorry. GNC. Okay. I'm just adding here. I'll add vendor also here, fixed vendor. Okay, I don't want to add in the PO level. I'll add from the purchase requisition only. Let's minimize our work. We'll just add the fixed vendor here, and I'll enter plant PP25, quantity 10 kg. Okay, now this is saved. Okay, now see, I will show how to add linkage of NB also. In case is business says we system should allow to create a PO for NB also and ZNB also for the ZNC PR. In that case, how to manage? What I'll do is I'll just copy this. I'll go to SAP. Okay, create now. So with the NB, I'll just try to recreate now. System definitely will throw an error because vendor will pick up from the purchase equation. See, it's picked up vendor because I already selected from the PR. It selected from the PR, it is picked up, but document type ZNC is not allowed for NB. What I'll do is I'll go back here. Simply I'll show here. I'll add NB also. Okay, it should allow NB also. Okay, I'll save this. So you have seen that it was not allowing. Now I should close this and go to ME21N and just replicate, just refer this, enter. Now it should allow. It should not throw any error. See, purchase order unit allows. This is okay. This is about the PO quantity. If I enter 10, okay, just saying that unit is full. Okay, I cannot order that full unit, full quantity. What I will just I'll go with ME21N. Some alternate measurement is maintained. That's why it is not taking whole quantity. Okay. Okay, this is picking up 9.091 quantity. Then I'll check this. So now system is not throwing an error with that document type linkage issue. Okay, I'll save it. Now again, I'll try to create. Quickly, I'll show another example of by adding the item category. Okay, I'll take this material ZNC. Quickly, I'll show that content 10 plant PP25 material. Now it's easy that all the data is available. I'll save this. Okay. Now what I'll try is I'll use this ZNB and NB is allowed right now. I'll use NB. I'll add here purchase requisition. Okay. Then I'll take here as a consignment. Okay. I just entered consignment. I wanted to get this material with the consignment, not with the same PR details have. Just scenario, you just imagine this scenario. Then that time system will throw an error. Document of item category CNC requisition NB or with the K is not allowed. Okay, with that item category K is not allowed. With this blank it is allowed. How to fix this? Okay, so you have to go back to the background here. Okay, so what you should do is, I'll save this data. Now I should do the combination of consignment item category also, not only with the standard. Okay, so I just maintain with the standard, right? See here. Now what I'll do is I'll go back. So see this GNC, you should check what all the item categories allowed. I'll just double click on this. So it is saying standard, consignment, subcontracting, third party, stock transfer, all this is allowed, right? You can create a purchase requisition with these all options. If I go back here, ME21N, sorry, ME51N, right? If I try to create ZNC, I'll go back here, ZNC, okay. So I'll use this material. I'll take K, okay, K material consignment. I'll go with PP25. I'll enter the kg, purchase this PV25, fixed vendor. See, system is allowing because ZNC is allowed for these many item categories allowed. If I delete this, I'll show that also. Okay, now it is allowing. I'm able to save this. Okay, saved. PR is saved. Now what I'll do is I'll just delete this. Delete this entry. Only ZNC is allowed with item category, standard, subcontracting, third party, stock transfer, service, like that. I'll save this data. Now I'll go back and use ZNC. ZNCs. Okay. So I'll take the material and enter K. And here I'll just enter the plant quantity. See, Here, can you see here? Item category K is not allowed with the document type ZNC because it is not maintained in the background. So definitely user will get this error. If business want to create a consignment PO with this document type, then they definitely you have to copy all the standard part, or else you can remove and you can block user not to create a consignment uh, PR with this document type. That's it, simple. Okay. See that this is the reason only you can create multiple document types with a business requirement. You can copy and you can change according to the business requirement, not to disturb the existing standard setting. Okay, when you have a all the NB document type with the standard setting, don't disturb that existing one. So copy always, create new, then you just play with the copied one. Okay, now I'll just go back and add the K here. I'll do one thing. I'll do a new entry. Go with K. It'll copy consignment. Save. So come back to ME51N. Now it should allow. Simple. G N C. Okay. Z N C here. Now I'll just go with K. Material. Plant. Okay. I'll save this PR first. Then I'll create a PO. Then how system will behave, we'll see. Okay, quantity 10 and save it. Now see, this is a consignment purchase requisition. Imagine. Okay, I will try to create a purchase order now. /n ME21N. I'll copy this purchase requisition. I'll try to create a PO now. See here, it is saying document type category this combination is not supporting with the NBK purchase order like that. How to manage now this one? I'll go back to the SPRO. Okay, I'll go back here. ZNC entry is there, right? Just select this link purchase requisition document type. This is the last scenario I'm going to show with the item category. Okay, so here you can see item category I have only maintained with the blank. What I should do is I'll delete this. I'll just copy this line. Okay, I'll go with both the line I'll copy. Okay, I'll enter here K and K. Whenever this combination also you are going to create GNB or NB with GNC document type with category K, system should allow. Okay, enter, save. Okay, save. Now I'll just copy this. I'll go to another screen, ME21N, and copy this purchase requisition. Okay, I think that system still not got refreshed. I'll do one thing. I'll go back again, ME21N. Try to enter this purchase requisition. NBK purchase order. Let me see whether we have a combination of NBs maintained or not. Okay, one is this linkage. This linkage is maintained now. NB, ZNB, consignment is there. Text for item category. Okay, this is fine. I'll go back and see document type, purchase order. What is the linkage? Okay, let's see. It should work normally. Okay, I don't know why it is. Okay, so here see NB blank, NB consignment and GNB blank and the consignment is maintained, it should work. Okay, let's go back and see the category is there already. Okay, that is not an issue. I'll go back to purchase order document type. Just look into NB and GNB or how this document types are there. Sorry that the system is taking really long time. Normally this will not take this much of time, but today I don't know. Server might be down or something, which is not supporting me. Okay, so I'll just try here NB document type. I'll just expand here NB and linked purchase requisition document type. Okay, so there are many are there. ADNB, NB, NVK also there. So I don't think any issue because all the linkage is there. Consignment, item category. Okay, so here purchasing requisition and this right document type always it should match with NB purchase requisition and NB purchase order. So this is a combination is there. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just make a new entry. Okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, I will manage here. If it is ZNB also, okay, I'll maintain this GNB also here. Already it is there. I'll maintain ZNC. Let's see this combination of purchase requisition and purchase order. I'm just maintaining here and just saving here. Okay, save this. Now go back to the creation of purchase order. Okay, I'll just copy this last purchase requisition, which was consignment purchase requisition. Now see, so this is working for NB. And I'll try for ZNB also. ZNB, okay, here. See, problem. I just maintain for NB now with the combination of Z and C. And now GNCK and GNVK linkage is not there. Simple. So we have to maintain that combination in the purchase requisition purchase order. Now I'll just go with Z and C. I'll try with Z. And C is not there in the purchasing order. I'll try with NB. Then NB. Okay. I'll just press enter. See, I'm able to create a this purchase requisition is what if I open this is GNC with the item category K, and I'm able to create a NB purchase order with the item category K. So this combination is working fine. So you all try this creation of in your system, because here I can say there are a lot of data are there in the system. So you can see there are many are there. So you can create your own specific document type from the scratch. Okay, make it everything from the like you take YNB document type for the PR, then it should only work for YNB document type of PO. Take this simple example. Then another example like ynm. This is p with the item creator k, pr, then same should work for item creator k with po. You can do this kind of analysis and create some dummy data in the sandbox. Definitely you can learn many things from that. Okay, when business look some kind of requirement in that way, they want to keep only separate document type with some category, some not to allow. So all that if they ask, you can give this analysis to them. This is possible, this is possible, this is a tested data and it's working as you expected. Then you can change, you can move all the data to quality and test again, and then we can move to production system when they want. Okay, thank you. Just comment or share if you like this session. Bye.